Welcome. In this video, you'll understand how to simplify ratios to the lowest terms for more than two quantities. We can extend the ratios by adding extra column to represent further quantities so that comparison can be made with more than two categories. In order to write this ratio in the simplest form, we now need to find a common factors of all three numbers of the ratio. 4 divides everything in this case. 36 divided by 4 gives 9, 16 divided by 4 gives 4, and 12 divides by 4 to give 3. Ratios are now in its simplest form as nothing else divides them. Similarly, if there are more than 3 quantities, we can add extra column and add the further quantities. They all have the common factors of 10. Dividing by 10 gives 12, 5, 20, and 15. Ratios are now in its simplest form as this cannot be simplified any further. Note that dividing this by 10 in short is equivalent to removing a pair of 0 from the top and the bottom number. So dividing by 10 could not be any easier than just doing that. When ratios are in this form, we can first change all the terms to one of a kind. In this case, change all the terms to decimal forms as there are more decimal terms than the fractions. Since 1 over 10 as a decimal is 0.1, the ratio in decimal form is now 0.3 to 0.1 to 0.45. Now we can convert all of them to a whole number by multiplying all the terms by 100. Multiplying by 100 has the effect of just moving the decimals to the right 2 spaces, which gives 30 to 10 to 45. Note that these are still not in its simplest form yet, as we can divide all of these numbers by 5. Dividing 30 by 5 gives you 6, 10 divided by 5 gives you 2, 45 divided by 5 gives you 9. Therefore, ratio in its simplest form is 6 to 2 to 9. You can use ratios to solve various kinds of everyday problems. For example, Adam, Megan, Molly's heights are in a ratio 4 to 5 to 3. Molly is 120 centimeters tall. What is the combined height of all 3 people? So to reiterate that, ratio of their heights is 4 to 5 to 3 in the order Adam to Megan to Molly, and Molly's height is given to you as 120 centimeters and others are unknown. Information about her height is going to be critical in finding the total heights of all 3 people. Since 40 times 3 is 120, we give the same treatment to all the other parts of the ratio. So we multiply 5 by 40 to give 200. And multiply 4 by 40 to give 160. So their heights are in the ratio of 160 centimeters to 200 centimeters to 120 centimeters. So the combined height is now given by adding 160 with 200 with 120, which adds up to give 480 centimeters. Don't forget the units of your calculation too. If you find this video useful for you, please click like. If you think someone else can benefit from it, please share. And if you want to hear from me again, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try the exercises to test your knowledge. I'll see you in the next part.